Hi everyone, my name is Siddharth and welcome back to Model Behavior by Box. Today, we're testing Grok 4, xAI's newest and smartest AI model to date. We have an invoice and a contract, and so let's just jump right in. The first is the invoice. The question I'm about to send is so tough because it involves appending a new item to this invoice and then figuring out what is the agency commission rate even when it's not explicitly given on this invoice. So I'm going to go ahead and send this question in. And in the meantime, let's look at this document and its structure. It's super information rich. Each line item has its own rate, and the rates are all summed at the end of the document in the gross total. Then there's the agency commission, which, like I said, the percentage isn't explicitly written anywhere, and Grok 4 is going to have to figure that out, and then the net amount due. So we see Grok 4 spitting back the answer right here. It has that structure that we love to see, and it gives that final answer. So we see the plan for computation, the step-by-step execution, and it figured out the commission rate was 15%, and then finally, the final answer. So great job, Grok 4. Let's go on to the contract. The hard part about my question for this contract is that I'm giving 3 circumstances, and Grok 4 needs to tell me the implications and the violations of these 3 circumstances. So I'm going to go ahead and send this question in. Let's take a look at the document in the meantime. There's multiple different articles within this legal contract. Obviously, it has a lot of legal jargon, and it itself has a lot of contingencies. And what I'm doing is I'm giving 3 circumstances which all contribute to each other. They're all contingent upon each other. And I want Grok 4 to tell me, based on these circumstances and based on everything in this legal document, what are the consequences? So we can see Grok 4 spitting back my answer already, again with that same structure that we love to see that explains its thinking and how it came to its answer. And let's look at the answer here. So starting from the top, we see the plan for analysis, then we get into the step-by-step analysis, and finally, the final answer with the violations and consequences. So Grok 4 was able to figure out the complexities of this contract and with the circumstances that I gave it. So what do we have here? Grok 4 is really good at navigating all these complexities, especially within enterprise documents. It really just makes me excited to see where xAI is going to go next. Until next time.